Unlocking the magic. The meaning of wishing upon a star. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a magical phrase that's as enchanting as it is inspiring: wishing upon a star. This phrase isn't just about stars in the night sky. It's a symbol of hope, dreams, and the belief in making the impossible possible. Let's embark on this starry journey together and uncover the meaning and significance behind this beloved expression. The phrase, wishing upon a star, traces its roots to ancient times when people looked up at the stars and felt a deep connection to the universe. They believed that stars had the power to influence their lives and fulfill their deepest desires. This belief was woven into folklore, myths, and legends across various cultures, where stars were seen as divine entities or messengers of the gods. One of the most iconic references to this phrase in modern culture comes from the classic Disney song, "When You Wish Upon a Star," featured in the film Pinocchio. The song encapsulates the idea that no matter who you are, your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. At its core, wishing upon a star symbolizes hope and optimism. It's a reminder that in the darkness of night, stars shine the brightest, encouraging us to keep believing in our dreams, no matter how out of reach they may seem. This phrase teaches us about patience, faith, and the power of positive thinking. Wishing upon a star is not just about making a wish, it's an act of setting intentions. It's about identifying our deepest desires and putting them out into the universe with the hope that they will manifest. This act can be a powerful motivator, pushing us to strive for our goals and work hard to turn our dreams into reality. While the phrase has a somewhat magical and fantastical connotation, it's often used in everyday language to express a hope or desire for something that seems difficult or impossible to achieve. For example, "I'm wishing upon a star that I pass my exams with flying colors, even though I found the material really challenging." She's wishing upon a star for a chance to travel the world and experience new cultures. It's a way of saying that you're holding on to hope and remaining positive about the future, despite any current challenges or uncertainties. Thank you for joining us on this starlit exploration of the phrase, wishing upon a star. We hope this video has illuminated not just the literal meaning of the phrase but also the deep sense of hope and optimism it embodies. Remember, the next time you find yourself gazing up at the night sky, make a wish. Because in the world of dreams and aspirations, believing is the first step towards achieving. Keep shining bright and chasing your dreams, and we'll see you in the next video.